Joe Biden's administration makes history by their support for waiving patents for the COVID-19 vaccines. This is supposed to accelerate generic manufacturing of relatively better vaccines, thus making vaccines accessible to people worldwide. Moreover, it will vanish conspiracy theories keep circulating off and on. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, almost 33% of Americans got vaccinated by the first week of May 2021. This number of low-income countries is below 1%, according to an article published in the world's top-ranked journal Nature. The situation clearly shows disparities in the accessibility of vaccines globally.
India and South Africa brought a proposal that there should not be a patent on COVID-19 vaccines. Generic manufacturing will enhance the global supply and reduce the price. Ultimately, it will increase the accessibility of vaccines globally. Now the Biden government, in spite of hostility from both Democrats and Republicans, announced that it supports waiving patent protections for COVID-19 vaccines, a measure aimed at boosting supplies so that people around the world can get the shots. According to experts, indigenization of vaccines is needed almost in every country, thus enhancing accessibility to everyone. All this needs a strategy having three important components. Number 1. Remove patent obstacles on all COVID-19 vaccines so far developed. Number 2. The vaccine developer and manufacturers have to do knowledge transfer for making vaccines. This will be most humane step. Number 3 is countries embarking on COVID-19 manufacturing have to invest generously in vaccines manufacturing capacity. By all means, it is linked with health and healthy living. Although Biden administration decision has not been welcomed by the pharmaceutical research and manufacturers of America. According to them, the Biden administration has taken an unprecedented step that will undermine our global response to the pandemic and compromise safety. The Biomet Global believes in equitable supply of COVID-19 vaccines with possible support mechanisms for vaccines developers also.